Here are two words that can cause a lot of confusion in English for many reasons. The words are either and neither. First of all, the word either can be used as an adjective to show one or the other of two. For example, you may sit at either end of the table. Also, as an adjective, it can mean each of two, the one and the other. For example, there are trees on either side of the river. As a pronoun, the word either can be used to describe a choice using two objects. For example, there are two roads into the town, and you can take either. Either will do. As an adverb, either can refer to expressing as well, to the same degree. Normally used after negative clauses, coordinated by and or nor, or after negative subordinate clauses. For example, he's not fond of parties, and I'm not either. If you don't come, she won't come either. Then we have the word neither, which as a conjunction means not either, as of persons or things specified, usually followed by nor. For example, neither John nor Betty is at home. We can use it to express nor or no more. For example, Bob can't go, and neither can I. If she doesn't want it, neither do I. As an adjective, neither means not one or the other. For example, neither statement is true, which means both are untrue. As a pronoun, neither means not either. Not one person or the other. Not one thing or the other. For example, neither of the suggestions will do. Neither is to be trusted. There is another confusion that arises when looking at either and neither, which relates to the pronunciation of these words. In American English, the pronunciation is different. Either is pronounced either, while neither is pronounced neither. Meanwhile, in British English, both forms of the pronunciation are acceptable. In other words, you don't have to worry about the way in which you say those words, as both are acceptable. Or should I say, either are acceptable. You can use one or the other.